90% of beginner traders end up losing 90% of their trading capital in the first 90 days. This is a common situation that many beginner traders experience, and in this video I'm going to share how you can avoid becoming part of that statistic. Hi, my name is Winnie and I make Forex trading related videos especially suited for beginners. If you're new here and you're into this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing and hit that bell icon to get notified every time I drop a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. We are going to start this off by examining the reasons why beginner traders end up either blowing their account or losing a majority of their trading capital. I'm also going to share some tips on how you can avoid these situations. The first reason why many beginner traders end up losing their trading capital is the lack of a trading strategy. A trading strategy is simply a set of rules that you follow to either take a buy or sell position. This is important because it helps eliminate guesswork in your trading. You're going to know exactly when and where you're going to take and exit your position. For example, let's assume you open your chart and you find that price has been moving to the upside consistently. So you decide to take a buy position only for that trade to be taken out a few minutes later. So you assume that, okay, the trend has changed direction. We're now moving to the downside. So you open a sell position only for that position to be taken out a few minutes later. After a few hours, it's only then you realize that price has just been ranging. It's neither moving up, it's neither moving down. Now, a trading strategy avoids these situations. This is because it gives you a good idea of price direction and also gives you specific steps that you take before placing your position. Put simply, a trading strategy will guide you or help you identify where you should take your position, where you should place your target, and where you should take your losses. Where do you find a trading strategy? You can find them online here on YouTube or from trading courses. Alternatively, you can create your own. Now, there are advantages and disadvantages of each. For example, when it comes to using other people's strategies, it's going to save you the time that it would have taken you to creating your own. On the other hand, if you decide to develop your own strategy, it's going to help you understand price movement and the specific pairs that you trade much better. Now, this is all dependent on you. It's your choice on which path that you'd like to take. In my experience, I had spent a lot of time trying to develop my own trading strategies before learning from another course. Now, because I had spent a lot of time studying the charts, I was able to understand market movements better and faster. It have a trading strategy, but does it have an edge? This is the second reason why beginner traders end up losing a majority of their trading capital. An edge simply means that your trading strategy makes a net profit over a series of trades. Just like businesses have expenses, every trading strategy has losses. But the important thing is making sure that your trading strategy wins more than it loses over a series of trades. Now, you can study these trends by backtesting. By backtesting, it simply means that you're going to go over past data and apply your trading strategy to it. So this process is going to help you study the wins and the losses over that specific period of time. This process is also going to help you identify whether your trading strategy has an edge. Don't worry about how you backtest because I intend to make videos around this topic in the near future. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel to make sure you don't miss this. You might have a good trading strategy with an edge, but you might still end up losing money. The reason may be because you don't have a risk management plan. A risk management plan is simply the amount of money you're willing to risk when you place a position. Now, that's the reality of Forex trading. Every single time you place a position, you face the risk of losing money. Therefore, having a fixed percentage of your trade capital that you're comfortable losing when you place your position will really help you in your trading process. A mistake that many beginner traders make is they risk too much per trade. For example, a trader who is risking 50% of their trading capital per trade will only need 2 losing trades to blow the entire trading account. Now, let's compare this to someone who is risking just 1% of their trading capital when they place a trade. This trader will need to lose 100 trades continuously to lose their entire trading capital. Now, for beginner traders, I recommend sticking to 1 or 2% maximum of the trading capital per trade that they take. This keeping risk low will really help you make as many mistakes as possible and also help you make an easier and faster recovery. The final reason why many beginner traders end up blowing their account is the lack of discipline. Discipline means you're sticking to the things you've set out to do regardless of the difficulties. You can have the best trading strategy and the best risk management plan in the world, but all this is useless without discipline. Discipline means you're sticking to your 1 or 2% risk per trade. It means that you're not going to take 5% of your trade capital because the trade setup looks so good. Discipline means that you're going to follow your trading rules. When you have a rule that you're going to take a maximum of 2 trades in a day, that position that develops, you're not going to take that trade. Discipline means that you have the patience to wait for your trade setup. Anything that doesn't meet your trading criteria is ignored. I really hope this video will be of help to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll get to it as soon as possible. If you've made it this far into the video, I truly appreciate you. Kindly remember to like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.